Pilates. I ain't never get fucked up, catch the body. I was in the cut with a bitch from Tacoma.
Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to be installing a Type R wing on the Integra. So yeah. Also, update on the Mustang. We tinted the front windshield. Looks fire. Yes sir. So we got it like set on there. And I think that these holes right here, or these little indents, pretty much like line up with it. Line up with the holes on here. So I think I might just drill into there. And yeah, so I think this might be like extremely easy, but let's find out. Then we're just gonna screw in all these bolts real quick. And when you're doing this, make sure this indented side is out so that you can get it screwed in there with the screwdriver. Nice and snug. You don't want your wing to fall off. So how we're gonna make the markings is we're literally just gonna put a highlighter on the end of all the screws, and then it'll make a little mark when we set it up on the trunk. Even though those holes on the bottom look like they're lined up, I still just want to make sure that it ends up all good. Before you question this process, I did that for both the spoilers on the Mustang, and that turned out fire. So don't question me. I know what I'm doing. Alright, so it looks like we got them pretty much lined up. It looks like they're actually like a little this way of the holes. So I think we're just gonna send it and start drilling and see how it goes. Yup. We got our little markings over here. You can like barely see them, but they kind of worked. You can't see them on the camera, but I can see them over here. Trust. It's like right there. But yeah, it looks like it's a little right of these things, so I think we're just gonna send it. Got the holes drilled. Yeah, I kind of messed up on that one, but we don't talk about that. It's all good now. Watch this. Yes, sir. It fits. So all those holes are done. Now we just got to drill the one for this. But that should be pretty easy. I think I'm just going to drill a tinier hole over here, since it's just a wire that got to go through there. And then my third brake light's like over there somewhere, and we're going to have to splice into that, which I hate splicing wires, but I'm gonna send it. And we got the hole for the wire. Yes, sir. Now we just put these bolts on and we tighten. And these are gonna be 10s. And it is on. Sure, that looks fire. Now I just gotta wire the third brake light, and then it's good to go. So to wire this, I don't know if this is for all Integras or just this one, because this one got some random stuff going on. But my brake light's back here, and pretty sure, because typically black is ground and green is positive. So we're just gonna splice the red and white wire into those, and we're gonna see if it works. It might not, or it might work. We'll find out. Let's see. So I was actually right. This was the right wire. Look at that. Me being right first try, that's kind of crazy. But yeah, so the brake light works. I'll show you a video real quick. It's all done. And the reason I didn't know how to do it is because there was no videos. So that's why I'm making a video for you guys, because I guess people just neglect Integras nowadays. So yeah, it's gonna be the red wire and spliced into the green one, and then the white wire will be spliced into the black one on your brake light, wherever it is. And yeah, that's the install for you. It's actually like really easy. So if you have 2 brain cells and some tools like me, you can probably do it. But it turned out pretty fire. I really like it. That looks really good. Yo. The daily's really coming along. It's looking good. Yeah guys, that's all for the video today. Hope you enjoyed, and I'll see you in the next one.
I'm sipping on red, damn it, I'm a leaner. She said that I'm mean, wait until I turn meaner. Pull up on the scene, 40 on me with a beam.